Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will be showing you how to fix Valorant packet loss. This issue is commonly caused by connection or internet issue. The first and most obvious solution is to check your all internet cable and connections. In order to do that, head over to the search section and type CMD. Open it, then type ipconfig to find your IP address. Once you have find your IP address, use ping command to ping on your IP to check if your Ethernet cable is working fine or not. In my case, my Ethernet cable is working fine. If your cable is not fine, then get a new one. Get Cat 9 or Cat 8 cable. This will be best options for you to fix your internet cable issue, and this will fix your packet loss issue. If Valorant is still facing the packet loss issue, then go to the search, then type control panel. Once you are in the control panel, go to the network and internet, then click on network and settings center. On the left hand you will find change adapter settings. Click on it, then click on connected networks and head over to the properties. Once you are in the properties, find internet protocol version 4. Click on it, then properties. Here we are going to use the following DNS server addresses. So click on it, then set the Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then press OK. Now you can try Valorant. If you are still facing packet loss issue, then you can just remove the custom DNS. Next, you can try flushing your DNS and performing winsock reset. Head over to the search section and type CMD, then open it as an administrator and confirm permission if asked. Next, you will need to enter all the command which I have put in the description box. Make sure to press enter after each command and allow time for each process to finish. Restart your computer once all the commands have finished. Then try Valorant. Next you can do is create a custom port for Valorant. To do that, go to the search section and search for control panel, then open it. Once you have opened the control panel, click on System and Security. Then find Windows Defender Firewall option, click on it. On the left hand you will find Advanced Settings. Click on it. In here we are going to create inbound rules, so click on it. Then click on New Rule. In here we have 4 options, click on Port, then select TCP. I have added port code in the description box, so make sure to check out and use them. Then click on next. Select allow the connection. Click on next. Check all the boxes, then click on next. Name it whatever you want to. I am going to name it Valorant TCP. Finish. Now we are going to create one more new rule. So click on new rule. Again select port. This time we are going to select UDP. Also I have added UDP code in the description box. Then click on next. Allow the connection. Next. This time I am going to name it Valorant UDP. Now you can try Valorant if it is working fine or not. Also you can try to update internet drivers and Windows. Make sure you are running on latest Windows version.